With an enigmatic teaser, Samsung has finally unveiled its newest foldable device, the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The teaser has a foldable silhouette and is brief, stylish, and full of dramatic music and visual flair. It also boldly claims to be pushing the envelope and providing the best possible hyper experience. To establish a more cohesive identity with the S series, Samsung may decide to drop the Fold moniker entirely or merge it under the Galaxy Ultra banner, since the teaser implies that this is the Fold 7 under a little different branding canopy. Samsung wants its customers to anticipate significant enhancements rather than just an annual update, as the teaser also promises a larger, better screen and features influenced by user input. With test scores of 2,896 points in single-core and 9,226 in multi-core, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 model number SF966B's Geekbench listing indicates that the device will be an absolute beast. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, which Qualcomm is marketing as the Snapdragon 8 Elite. We would anticipate a premium foldable device in 2025 to have 12 gigs of RAM, which the test unit did. This year, Samsung is making a big splash in terms of color and design. With 256 and 512 gigs for the Fold and 128 and 256 gigs for the Flip F, storage choices are anticipated to stay mostly identical from last year. With the Galaxy Z Flip 7 offering black, blue, coral, and red color choices, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 offering black, silver, and blue shadow, and the Galaxy Z Flip FE offering black and white color options, the color palette is getting a nice little makeover. According to a number of sources, New York City may serve as the host city for the formal debut in early July. Samsung wants to present the Fold 7, or whatever it is ultimately dubbed, as more than just another foldable, as this teaser demonstrates. How much of this excitement really results in revolutionary advancements is still up in the air. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.